we're super excited to do while in Rotterdam is an art walk throughout the city. And there's this app that you can download, and I'll link it below. And in the app, they give you a bunch of different routes because there's so much street art. So the one that we decided to do is the city center, and so now you'll get to see all the different murals that we find. About a third of the way through, but that last one that we went to was probably my favorite so far because it was about a dystopian reality, and you can kind of see like half human, half robots, and labs and experiments, and it was really cool. I really liked the message of it. It looked like either weather or a bunch of tagging that was done on it, but we're gonna go on to the next one, which seems really cool.